segments directly from the compressed data. And on this you can later on you can think of developing direct applications, means direct operations which are done in conventional method, which I have shown in this. So this is one paper recently got accepted in the RACV recent advancement in computer vision pattern recognition at ACPR conference last month November. So in that we showed that it is possible to extract features like projection profile, run histogram, entropy features. So entropy features we use sequential entropy and conventional entropy quantifiers to extract directly from this compressed data, and which can be directly used for operating on the performing some operations. So I'll just brief out what are those. So this is the extraction of projection profile with the conventional with the compressed domain method. So both one observation is that both the results, because run length encoding is lossless compression, so the results are identical. So there is no loss of information in the we get both identical features. We have results. This is the entropy feature extracted from the image, compressed and decompressed EQ and SEQ. We have extracted, and we say that both features are same. And feature extraction, this is for vertical projection profile, horizontal projection profile. What is the time saved? So all these it is given in percentage. You see that vertical projection profile is saving 97% of computation time, and horizontal projection profile is taking 58. So I just wanted to tell you that all the features in this I have extracted 6 features, but in that one feature, that is horizontal projection profile extraction, is we get the negative time, that we get a computational loss. The reason is that when the data is in compressed form, in the run length and encoding, tracking the vertical information is very difficult, because all the data is clustered here and there. You cannot, if you draw one line means data may be like this. The line may be like this, which we have resolved in one of the papers. So this is the computational time efficiency. Now you see that the blue line indicates the feature extraction with our method, compressed domain method. And the above you see that it is the conventional method. See in the VPP you see both the graphs you see there, and in HPP you see that the line is above. The blue line is above. So that means it takes more time. This is the feature which takes more time in the compressed domain. All features like histogram and very interestingly we have also introduced a term called run histogram, because the run length compressed data consists of runs. So why not we explore the potential of the run length histogram? So which we have also this paper also explores the run histogram feature. This is a model for our line Gordon character segmentation. By using the projection profile feature from our previous work, we perform the line segmentation, and with that line segmented line, we do virtual decompression. It is a different kind of decompression, which keeps on. It's just like a line which is moving, but it is not a straight line. It is all zigzag line, because when you compress the data, you get a zigzag model. So we use some the vertical space information intelligently, and we get the characters. So this is the line segmentation and results which we have tested for 35 documents from Bengali script, English documents, and Kannada script we have checked. So this is the compressed character. This is the compressed character segment. Now you see C1, C2, C3, C4, all these are the character, that means location of the characters inside the compressed data. You see A, B, O, U, T, all these are the characters. This is the compressed matrix of the whole line. So next you see that now we want to extract the one character. So this is the character for compressed data for character T, H, and E. So we did experiment, and we found that this is the problem which happens due to binarization. So at the end, we see our whole aim is that we want to propose an OCR which works on compressed documents. OCR. So So it has a lot of to facilitate applications like word spotting, document equivalence, which we are working on. So that's all. If